using it ever since.
Good,
Septic Drainer,
Septic Drainer,
it really works.
it really
I would
works.
recommend it for anyone.
We pump septic tanks, we rejuvenate drain fields, we water jet drain lines, clean drains. We work on sewer pumps and grinder pumps. My dad started in the 60s and using sulfuric acids. Then we went to hydrogen peroxides, and then they get into the soil fracturing, and we went to that, and we were treating the soils with bacteria after. And when we sold our business up north and moved down south, we were having issues with the soils not accepting the water at the rate it should after the treatments. And we met you at the show and discovered the septic drainer, and been using it ever since. And we've opened up many systems that just couldn't be opened up. You couldn't get the probe down with the aerator machine deep enough to get into the system, and we use the septic drainer and have great success. Septic drainer really works.